Hello Windows Universe! In this video we will look at how to remove CRC-SHA from the context menu in Windows 10. As always, there will be an article linked in the description down below that will go much more into depth. Before making any changes to your system, be sure to create a system restore point. You may notice that when you open the context menu, you see CRCSHA. To get rid of this, we need to open the 7-zip file manager by opening 7-zip. Once it's open, click on Tools and Options. Then click on the 7-zip tab. You'll want to find CRC-SHA, unclick it, click Apply, click OK. The CRC-SHA should be removed from your context menu. For more fast fixes to make your Windows Universe a little bit easier, visit our website, thewindowsclub.com. And do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We are always adding new content to make you the master of your digital universe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.